Looking to upgrade your toolbox? In this video, we'll show you the 20 coolest Milwaukee tools for beginners. Milwaukee Tool is a company known for its trustworthiness and quality service, so you can be sure you're getting the best. We'll explore versatile and durable tools that cater to both novices and seasoned professionals, and you'll see why Milwaukee is a leader in tool manufacturing. From innovative solutions designed to sustain the toughest job site conditions to tools that promise reliability and performance, this video has got you covered. So let's get started. Tired of wrestling with bulky cords? The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Circular Saw is your definitely difference maker. Its powerful brushless motor delivers 5,800 revolutions per minute, ensuring fast and precise cuts every time. Thanks to the RedLink Plus intelligence, you get optimal performance without worrying about overloads. You'll love the high-capacity battery for its extended runtime, and the lightweight ergonomic design means less fatigue on the job. Plus, the integrated rafter hook keeps it handy. Experience unmatched power and mobility with this durable magnesium-guarded saw, complete with an electronic brake for your safety. Looking to enhance your laser alignment tasks? The Milwaukee Wireless Laser Alignment Base with Remote is your utmost tool for precise, hands-free control. You can adjust your laser alignment with the ease of a wireless remote. No more running back and forth. Its 360-degree rotating base allows for seamless positioning, while integrated magnets ensure a secure attachment to metal surfaces. Built tough for the job site, its durable construction stands up to the toughest conditions. You'll appreciate the LED indicator, which provides clear visibility of your alignment status. This base isn't just about ease, it's about enhancing precision for professional-grade results. Versatile mounting options adapt to your specific needs, and the user-friendly interface simplifies operations, boosting your productivity. With the Milwaukee Wireless Laser Alignment Base, you get unmatched efficiency and accuracy, making your alignment tasks easier and more effective than ever. Want to tackle detailed tasks with ease? The Milwaukee M12 brushless rotary tool is your new go-to for versatility and precision. Its brushless motor technology delivers increased efficiency and power, ensuring longer run times. With a variable speed dial reaching up to 32,000 RPM, you have precise control for any project. This compact, ergonomic design allows you to work comfortably, even in tight spaces. The cordless convenience frees you from the hassle of cords, while the universal tool compatibility means you can use all M12 batteries and accessories. The built-in LED work light brightens your workspace, improving visibility for those intricate tasks. Built to last, this rotary tool withstands the toughest job site conditions, ensuring reliable performance every time. Elevate your craftsmanship with this brushless rotary tool, where power meets precision in a compact, cordless design. Let's move forward with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Router that brings unmatched power, control, and versatility right to your hands. Its powerful brushless motor ensures consistent, high-performance routing, while the variable speed dial lets you control speeds up to 31,000 revolutions per minute for precision in every cut. You'll love the micro-adjustment dial, which allows for exact depth settings, and the cordless convenience powered by M18 red lithium batteries ensures maximum mobility on any job site. Dual LED lights illuminate your work surface, so you never miss a detail. Built for efficiency and durability, this router's ergonomic design reduces user fatigue, enhancing comfort during extended use. Versatile compatibility with various bases and accessories makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. Experience professional-grade woodworking with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Router, where power meets precision in a cordless package. Struggling with hard-to-reach fasteners? The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Insider Reach Box Ratchet is your solution, offering unparalleled access, control, and power in tight spaces. Its extended reach design makes it easy to maneuver in confined areas, while the brushless motor delivers increased power and longer tool life. The variable speed trigger provides precise control for any application, and its compact, lightweight build reduces user fatigue, enhancing your maneuverability. Built tough, this ratchet withstands the rigors of job site conditions, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Powered by M12 red lithium batteries, it delivers high efficiency, allowing you to get more work done per charge. Perfect for professionals needing precision and efficiency, this box ratchet is your go-to tool for those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. Looking to achieve perfect, smooth finishes in your woodworking projects? The Milwaukee M12 brushless 2-inch planer is your ultimate tool for precision and efficiency. With its high-performance brushless motor, this compact planer offers extended tool life and consistent power. The adjustable depth control allows you to make precise adjustments from 0 to 5 in 64-inch diameter, ensuring accurate material removal every time. Dual-edge reversible blades increase blade life and improve cutting performance, giving you a professional edge. Designed for easy handling, its compact build fits comfortably in tight spaces, and the cordless convenience powered by M12 red lithium batteries provides extended runtime and greater mobility. Built tough for job site conditions, this brushless 2-inch planer delivers the power and precision you need for both professional and DIY projects. Want to take your grinding task to the next level? The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Variable Speed braking die grinder with paddle switch and one key is here to revolutionize your work. This powerhouse tool combines unmatched control, safety, and performance, perfect for the demands of professional grinding tasks. With variable speed control, you can tailor the grinder's performance to suit various materials and applications. The innovative paddle switch with an integrated brake enhances safety, stopping the tool quickly to minimize risks. Powered by a robust brushless motor, you enjoy increased power and an extended tool life. What's more, the one-key technology allows you to track and customize the tool's settings from your smartphone, ensuring optimal performance tailored to your needs. The cordless design offers the ultimate in mobility and convenience, letting you work freely without the hassle of cords. Designed for durability and reliability, this grinder stands up to the toughest job site conditions, delivering consistent results every time. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Braking Die Grinder is not just a tool, it's your next workshop essential for safer, more efficient grinding. For heavy-duty grinding that meets the mark of safety and precision, there's no better choice than this Milwaukee masterpiece. Transform your lockbolt installations with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/4 inches lockbolt tool with one key. This powerhouse tool offers industry-leading speed, power, and connectivity, perfect for fast, reliable, and precise lockbolt installation in the most demanding environments. Imagine breezing through installations with the superior performance of a brushless motor, ensuring extended tool life and consistent power. The compact design means you can easily access tight spaces, making your job easier and more efficient. With one-key trademark technology, you gain full control over your tool, from tracking and inventory management to custom settings tailored to your specific needs. Safety is paramount, and this tool delivers advanced features like automatic shutoff and overload protection, ensuring you work smarter and safer. The high-capacity battery guarantees longer runtime, reducing downtime and boosting productivity. Built to withstand harsh job site conditions, this lockbolt tool is the ultimate choice for professionals who demand reliability and performance. Its durable construction ensures it can handle the toughest tasks while maintaining optimal performance. For those who need precision and speed in lockbolt installation, this tool is your perfect partner. Need a reliable and portable solution for water removal on the job? The Milwaukee M12 Stick Transfer Pump is your go-to tool for efficient, fast, and cordless water transfer. If you're tackling water transfer tasks with ease, powered by M12 red lithium batteries for constant mobility. This submersible pump can handle water from various sources, delivering up to 9 gallons per minute. That's high-speed water transfer, reducing downtime and getting your job done faster. Its durable construction ensures it stands up to the toughest job site conditions, providing reliable performance when you need it most. You'll appreciate the flexible intake hose, designed to access hard-to-reach areas, making every job more manageable. The cordless design means you can move freely without being tethered to a power source, enhancing both convenience and efficiency. Built for professionals who need a robust, long-lasting tool, the Stick Transfer Pump combines portability with powerful performance. Whether you're on a construction site or dealing with emergency water removal, this pump delivers quick, efficient, and dependable results. Looking for a tool that brings durability, stability, and portability to your job site? The Milwaukee 6. Leveling tripod chain vise is your definitive solution for securely holding pipes and other materials during demanding applications. Its sturdy tripod design ensures maximum stability, even on uneven surfaces, so you can work confidently and efficiently. With a robust chain vise mechanism, this tool provides a secure grip on various pipe sizes, accommodating a wide range of materials. The adjustable legs allow for easy leveling on different terrains, ensuring your setup is always stable and reliable. Built tough, the durable construction withstands the harsh conditions of any job site, giving you long-lasting performance you can trust. Despite its robust build, the tripod chain vise is portable and lightweight, making transportation and setup a breeze. You'll appreciate how quickly you can set up and adjust this tool, enhancing your productivity and making your work smoother. Whether you're working on a construction site or in a workshop, the Milwaukee 6 Leveling Tripod Chain Vise offers enhanced stability, versatile usage, and ease of use, making it an essential addition to your toolkit. So that was the list of the 20 Milwaukee tools for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed. Videos like this on your feed. Videos like this on your feed.